how my time flow. She took a screenshot of that message when it posted on the book. Do it look like I give a fuck what they say? I need another Xan. Not even popular, but still a topic in the city. I hear my name so fucking much, I guess these bitches miss me. But I'ma keep doing me in the studio off a beam. These niggas plotting my death, they act like I'm overseas. I'm in the hood though, and I ain't seen none of your kinfolks or your partner. The same nigga that robbed your bitch and shot her. I'm in my zone and I'm fresh up out of whip now. NJ up in my cup, drunker than a bitch now. The world talk down, so what? I paid that bitch just for a nut. Now she sitting on my lap, smiling, rolling up a blunt. These niggas don't like me, I want you to know I know it. These hoes be feeling me, I know you know I know it. I'm still in love with that model, bitch. I could've fucked your best friend, but she dick hopping. That's something I don't believe in. Grab a fan to cool me down real quick. I'm a dirty motherfucker, I know I make you bitches sick. I play with them sticks, they go boom. Real music with no auto-tune. Come to the land and you ain't popping, bitch. You gotta move, make some room. I'm in love with Mika and she don't even know it. Maybe she don't wanna show it, it's okay. In Pennsylvania, I got a Puerto Rican chicken. When she least expected first class, I bet I made the trip, believe that.